run. Alrighty, we're gonna do some chipping today. We got ourselves another 4090 and we're on the shop property. We got a bunch of trees here and we try to keep up on them pretty good. The 4090 we have is actually not a heavy duty hub this time. So this is I guess you could say more of a base model. It has a couple options on it, but it's just a regular clutch machine. We don't get a heavy duty clutch. It does have a rear hitch and it has the exhaust chute, which is great for an application like this because instead of dragging all these branches to the back of the yard, I can chip them right into the trailer, which is super easy, super quick as well too. So let's cut some branches off this spruce here. I don't know these trees very good, but I think it's a blue spruce, and we're not gonna take too many off, but let's get started. We might be dodging some thunder, so you might hear the odd thunder clap, but we'll try to get it done without getting too wet. Make sure the fuel's turned on. Fuel always helps. A little choke, quarter throttle. Make sure the e-stop is up. Keep in mind, even if these are warm, these engines, they love a little bit of choke. So, you know, choke is always a little healthy. And that little bit of a clutch clanky here is normal as well. That's just the clutch sitting loose. The second we speed it up, it'll engage and away it'll go. So we're gonna let her warm up a little bit. Grab some of these sticks here. All right, on to the next one.
The electric stuff is awesome and it seems to be working great. Do you think you'll ever make a electric chipper?
I don't know. Won't be anytime soon. Problem with the chipper is that it takes a lot of power. Like it's I mean, the best way of me explain this is not constant duty. This is on and off, on and off. So it's very interrupted. I mean, a battery lasts quite a long time for this. But when you're running a chipper hard, that thing is running all the time, and it is running real heavy usage. So it takes a lot of power to run a chipper. Chipper is not something that you just run lightly. So for a chipper, you need a big battery, big motor, big bucks too, probably. Real expensive, super, super expensive. So probably not anytime soon. I don't know, what is it now? A couple weeks ago, we shot a video of a Ford Lightning powering a log splitter, and you always have interesting comments on stuff like electrical this is no good and battery that's no good and so on. But man, for something like this, on a small power equipment like this, it makes a lot of sense to be battery powered. You're probably not going to see me running around with a battery powered dirt bike or something anytime soon, but If this was gas powered, I'd be running all over the yard, tugging on this thing and starting it and letting it warm up. And this here is pretty easy. I don't have to do a whole lot of effort to make this work.
Go from piles like this, and just like that, you can create yourself
Some mulch.
a walking trail in your homestead.
Yeah,
Might need to be raked and packed down a little bit, but
for sure.
overall, this is exactly what you would do. But you would use a split fire carryall for this.
100%. We should probably go inside.
Instead of standing underneath the tree?
Yeah, you know what they say, don't stand under trees, kids, when it's about to pound lightning.
Run!
The rain stopped. Nice and sunny again till the next patch comes. But we'll hack away for a while till we get the next trailer full. All right, so one of the cool things too with this chipper is because it has so much airflow through that chipper box and out that exhaust chute is that if stuff is super wet or super soggy, I don't need to be concerned about getting a jam or something like that. So you can see like these maple, these are small limbs. Oh, all these trees are soaking wet still. They're all super wet. The chipper's not going to mind at all. All right, so we're going to finish up this video. It's about to pour again, so I'm going to get this done for a quick second. But if you got more questions about the 4090 itself, maybe it's about what you're using it for. Like we're using it for a property here. I might do this twice a year, and it's super easy to clean up and prune for this exact application. Maybe you're doing something really different, or you got questions about the options, the rear hitch, whatever it could be. Give us a call at the office, and there's all the specs you need online at split-fire.com too. Give us a big thumbs up. We appreciate any comments, and have a good rest of your week.